right, let's do some cat kneeling. Hop up on your knees. And you're gonna start, the push-through bar will be at rest. Your elbows are bent and you're just gently holding onto the bar. You're gonna pull your belly up and your tail down to make this one long line, and you're gonna hinge back. Martha Graham hinge, if you know what that means. Nod your chin and now fold forward and press that bar out using those abs. Gorgeous. Extend that spine, tail to head. And you can look up over your bar a little bit. Nice. And now curl under, tail to head. This time you're gonna try and stack your pelvis right on top of your knees. Bend the elbows. Bring the bar back to rest. Then you're gonna keep your pelvis where it is, pull the bar down a little bit and arch back, opening through those ribs. Oh, delicious. And then come back up. You don't have to go that far, but she did a beautiful job. And then you bring the bar to rest. 1. How'd it feel? 2 more. Here we go. Hinge back, one long line. Gorgeous. Nod the chin, press the bar down and fold forward. Here we go. Extend the spine, tail to head, open the chest. Curl under, tail to head, hollow the abs, stack yourself right back up over your knees the best we can. Bring the bar to rest, and then pull the bar down and open the chest up and back as we pull our pelvis forward. Good. 2, and then come back up. 1 more. Hinge back in one long line. Nod the chin, scoop the ribs, and fold it forward. Extend tail to head, open the chest. Curl the pelvis under, tail to head, bend the elbows, roll it up. Very nice. Pull the bar down a little bit as you arch back up and forward. 3, and come back to center. That looked lovely. Shall we do some full extensions in Swan? All right, so you're gonna put one hand down and then press the bar forward. This is the safe way to get into it. Again, I don't like this bar to go past the uprights because I don't want it to go flying away. Good. And then the further back you go, the less extension you have to have. So she's got a lot of extension, so she can go forward. Scoot back a tiny bit more, I think. There you go, arms straight. We're gonna bend the bar behind our head, start to extend the spine and roll up. Feels okay? So you're here, you are squeezing your tush like there's no tomorrow. Most people forget about their tush in this exercise. If you can, you're gonna pull the bar down in front, and then you're gonna fold and press it out with the bar in front. Nice, how'd that feel? Good, let's do about 4 more. Bend the elbows. And then reach the bar up and come into your nice, big, beautiful extension, hollowing the abs using the glutes and hamstrings. Pull the bar down, hollow those abs in more, and press it out. Good. Excellent. 2. Bend those elbows behind the head. Reach the bar up, start to expand the spine. Reach. Pull that bar down, hollow the abs, and reach it forward. 3. And inhale, bend. Exhale, extend. Inhale, bend. Exhale, press it out long. 4. Last time, please. It looks absolutely fabulous. Inhale, bend, and extend. Inhale, bend, and exhale, press it out. Nice. Good. To come out of this, you put one hand down. You start to press back onto your knees and carefully bring the bar up at the same time and bring it to rest. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, mermaid with rotation. Whichever arm you want to do first is fine. You're going to have mermaid legs. So the hand is at the front edge of the bar, and then your elbow is bent with no tension on the springs. That's where you can set up how far away you're going to be. Our abs are up and in. Our ribs are connected, sitting as best we can, equal on both sides. Here we go. Lift that left arm up, pull the right arm down, and we're going to do a nice, big, beautiful side bend. Gorgeous. Wrap around. Left hand down, right hand opens. Shoulders are wide. We bend the elbows 3 times. 1 and 2 and 3. Good. Bend the elbows and now start to press that bar up over on a diagonal and stretch forward. If you want, let the shoulders rise a little bit for a nice stretch in your lats. And then on the way back, you pull the shoulders down, bend the elbows, nod the chin, fold back forward. Good. Right hand to the left, turn it side. Beautiful. We start to come up, bend the elbow, and then same thing here. It's okay, let that shoulder go up and stretch the arm out. But then on the way down, come back and reset yourself. And here we go. Bend the elbow and side bend. That was gorgeous. Wrap around. Left hand down, right hand opens. Bend the elbows. 1 and 2 and 3. Good. Now bend and press it up and give it a nice stretch. Good. Draw our shoulders down, bend the elbows, nod the chin, round back through. Back hand to the front, turn it side. And start to come up, bend the elbow, and stretch it out. One more time. Reset, and then pull the bar down, other arm comes up, and we do a beautiful side bend. Wrap it around, left hand down, right hand opens, 3 bends, 3, 2, 1. Good, bend the elbows, go ahead, press that bar up on the diagonal, stretchy stretch, and shoulders pull down, bend the elbows, nod the chin, fold through. Back hand goes front, turn it side. Gorgeous. And come on up. And stretch. Other side, my darling. All right. Flip round. Now we can see her fabulous shoulders working perfectly. Good. Scoot in tiny, tiny bit. There you go. And pull the bar down, lift the arm, and do a nice big side stretch. Wrap around, right hand down, left hand opens, 3 bends. Inhale, exhale, 3, and 2, and 1. Good, start to bend the elbows. Pull back up. It's okay to let the shoulders rise here. And pull the shoulders back down, bend the elbows, nod the chin, folded the ribs and stretch. Back hand to the front, turn it side. And come on up. And nice big stretch. And again. Pull down, bend the elbow, lift the arm. And side bend. Wrap it around, right hand down, left hand opens, and we go. 3, and 2, and 1. Bend the elbows and press it up. Give it a stretch. And pull it down and dive through. Back hand to the front. Turn side. Come on up. And stretch. One more time. Here we go. Bend that elbow, lift the arm, and up and over like I'm a little teapot. And twist round. 3 bends. Bend the elbows. Go ahead, press up, stretch. And shoulders down, bend the elbows, round it through. Back hand to the front, turn side. Good, come on up. Bend that elbow. And press. Nice. Rest. All right, you did it, girl. How are we feeling? Are we dying?